This is Ncii here, and welcome to the Hilot Wellness Massage video demonstration on how to locate imbalance in the body using of this method of scanning by using the banana leaves and traditional coconut oil. This is the first step on how to do a banana leaf scanning. Step 1. Prepare all the materials. Fresh banana leaves. Make sure that the leaves are clean and sanitized. And virgin coconut oil, traditional coconut oil that used by the Hilot, and hand sanitizer. There you have it. I hope you learned something today in this Hilot Wellness Massage video demonstration.